Dr. Huebner, I am so excited to be here with Jason. Jason has actually two surgeries now, and we've been sort of documenting his progress, not only his surgery day, his first video results, which you'll see, and you can see that on our YouTube channel as well. But he's here now 1 year after his second procedure, and the second procedure kind of focused a little bit more on the back than we did on the first one. But I believe he retouched up the hairline as well. But wanted to, and I'll put the before pictures up there. It speaks for itself. I mean, it is really amazing. In fact, he's been fooling not only friends, but family. Well, sometimes they'll just kind of glance and say, "Hey, that guy looks like," and that's actually him. So, in a good way, he certainly looks improved, sort of, new and improved version, if you will. And but Jason, what do you think about your entire experience? And would you do it again?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. I wish I'd done it sooner. I always tell people, I feel like I've got so much more time now, that I get to enjoy my hair, and I think that so many people will say, I'm not really sure, do I want to spend that much on myself, or do I want to, go through that? And, I just encourage them, you're going to love it. You're going to be happy. Just do what makes you happy, and take care of yourself. I mean, we don't do enough, I think, sometimes to, if we're feeling good, then we're going to really spread that, and other people will feel good too. But
That's
yeah,
great
the whole
advice.
experience was great. I mean, I'll tell you, just making the appointments, getting the consultations, everything was just super smooth. I just really love the fact that that we have this good communication. Even though I live in Arizona, traveling the distance to get over there for both surgeries, it was just a piece of cake. It was
Okay.
absolutely no problem getting in, and the staff were just amazing. Just took care of me all day long and made sure that I was comfortable. And you know, um, I can't say enough. This surgery, getting so much done each surgery. I feel like most places I would have like 4 or 5 surgeries to get the level of hair moved
Right.
that I did, in two, and that meant everything to me too. It was huge
Cover a lot
time
of ground, right?
saver,
And
and
you've had
absolutely.
friends that have had procedures elsewhere, and they don't seem to get as much area covered necessarily with
Yeah,
one procedure. But I'm happy for you, man. Is it okay if we showcase your results here? Let me just
yeah.
maybe you can just run your hand through your hair and just kind of show off that
Oh
amazing
yeah.
hairline that you have, and
It's just
look how natural that looks, man. It looks
it's just
unbelievable.
amazing. And I can't, but I don't put I hardly put any product in my hair because
You don't need to.
I like letting it be natural and flow.
That's
And
right.
that was because I don't have to keep it in a certain way that really hides, you
Yep.
know, it just really showcases, okay, the little hair that I have enough that it doesn't matter. How it
Absolutely.
falls is how it falls. And wearing it
That's right.
longer, I
Yep.
like a little bit longer. That kind of gives me a little bit more
Yeah.
coverage there. And but yeah,
I agree.
definitely people always saying I look younger, and so it's like
Let me
I
show.
love
Yeah, I was
hearing
gonna say,
that.
let's have you put your chin down just for a second, and we can show off. Yeah, and just hold it there. Perfect. Right there is perfect. Amazing. I'm gonna overlay the befores. It'll blow you away. I mean, you already know, but I mean, I think everyone here watching is gonna say, "Whoa, wow, amazing." Can you turn to one side, left or right, and just kind of hold it, kind of maybe with your hair back, just to yeah. Can you pull your hair back and do that maybe
Oh
too as
yeah.
well? Oh, yeah, perfect. Just so we not, yes, people sometimes say, oh, or it's a comb over or something, and we want to show it. Yep, perfect. And let's do the same thing on the other side.
If I can hold the camera right.
There you go. That's perfect. Yeah, unbelievable. Yeah, it looks great, man. Jason, I'm really happy for you,
Yeah,
man. It's a great transformation for you, and
yeah.
permanently it will be there.
Well, I
So
appreciate you and everything that you've built and that you're able to showcase all this. I just I think that other guys that can look and see that if they have something similar to what I had going on, they can really feel more confident about making the decision. I know we talked about, having all these wonderful videos and people can decide, but I think that, like we said, not enough videos of the second. And so if you're thinking
that's right.
about, if you've had your one and you're like, you know what, do I go back? I mean, going through surgery, there's downsides. It was uncomfortable. I mean, the recovery and everything, but it's all doable, and the results is so worth it that anybody who's thinking, do I go back and I get my crown done? Do I
Right.
reinforce my hairline like I did? Do it. Yeah, get it done.
I love the
Don't
second coat
hesitate.
of paint. I love the second coat of paint on a hairline, especially when you're going from zero. That's like taking it from regular to high definition TV, if you will. So
Yeah.
yeah, I mean it's great, and congratulations on your progress, and thank you again for showcasing your results again twice now, because you're right, it is good to see that what a realistic result looks like, and I'm happy that you're happy, and yeah, enjoy your hair, wear it in good health.
Thank you so much. I
All
really
right.
appreciate you.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844 327 4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.